Okay. Let's check the channel log, see if anything's new. Oh my god! Welcome back to another video. I'm Caden Aviation. And, what the heck? They added ICELAND AIR? Oh my gosh. Guys, I think you don't know how big this update is. So, not only did they add ICELAND AIR, but if we go to the channel log, they added the Boeing Stearman 75, the Paravia Tornado, they added ICELAND AIR, they had the ability for private server owners to grant mod panel to access other players, added large VIP servers size support on the test server, added scroll reel to zoom to minimap, added mission waypoint markers to minimap, updated climbing, diving, and speed changes to feel more natural and responsive. Updated flaps to slow you down the more faster you're going and smoother overall. Updated fire jets to be maneuverable. Updated aircraft to muffle the engine sounds when your camera is inside aircraft. That's pretty cool. Updated cloud visuals. Fix falling through aircraft when exiting seats with high ping. It's no graphics option not working, and a bunch of random other bug fixes. But I have just been gone for almost over 2 months, and I can say that what the heck, ICELAND AIR. Do you know how long the PTFS community has been waiting for ICELAND AIR? You don't get it. Look at the clouds too. It's not like Robloxian clouds. Dude, ICELAND AIR. Bro, this is... I don't really know what to say. Bro, I've been waiting so long in my life too, and I've never seen it. I've never seen ICELAND AIR until now. This is crazy. Totally blown away. And all I have to say is, I'm gonna go play the update right now. So, peace out, you guys. This has been Caden Aviation back with another video. Also, contact SRP Max and see if he sees this video. But anyways, I'm gonna go because I love you guys, and peace out.